Andrew, are you having fun?
Kind of like this.
Sure.
Instead of perfectly square, you can make a unit that's like this.
Hey everyone, what we're doing today is learning the new process on how to assemble pro filters. We got the leadership team here today. We got our gloves, we got our safety glasses, and we're all learning how to make a unit, so come check it out with us.
Very
Oh, not that. Yeah, I broke it.
Hey, are you having fun right now?
It's going great. We're learning a ton of the improvements that the team has been making over the last 12 months on the assembly of the Pro Filter. And honestly, it's made the assembly so much quicker. Getting units out is going to be even faster for our clients, and we're really excited to show that.
Andrew, how do you feel about this step?
Glad I caused a moment.
Very scary.
Here we have the final end product of the day. The team put together a nice 1625 unit. We're grateful for all the increase in the demand, and our supply chain is matching that now.